Now I'm going to explain how to add the Genie Plus to your theme park ticket in your app. This is something you have to do the day you are going into the park if you want to use the Genie Plus services. You can add it beginning at midnight of the day you plan to visit a park, but I don't recommend waiting up late just to do that. You will want to add it in plenty of time, though, to be ready to book your first lightning lane at 7 a.m. So I recommend purchasing it around 6:45 that morning so you'll be good to go right at 7 a.m. when your lightning lane window opens. So you'll open up your app and you'll come to your main page. And from here, you'll see you start here to plan your day. Click there and then skip to the tip board because that's where we're going. And you'll see here that at the top, there's a spot where it says Disney Genie Plus purchase today. Click there and it's going to take you to this page that explains what the Genie is, and then click continue, and it's going to load the people who are eligible to purchase Genie Plus service. So choose the members of your party that you want to add that for, and then you're going to go and you're going to see the cost, and you click continue, and then you're going to hit purchase. It does add tax, and then you're going to want to wait and make sure you see it processes your payment. If it doesn't, then you'll need to go out and do this process again. You should be then taken to a confirmation screen, and that's all there is to it. Now you are ready to go to book your first lightning lane at 7 a.m.